this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card using the Always in My Heart bundle. So this is a sweet little card. I really love this saying, "You had me at hello." It's from the Always in My Heart stamp set, which is part of the Always in My Heart bundle. And here's the stamp right here, but it's got a lot of other pretty sayings too. And it's got these flowers and leaves, and two of each of the flowers and leaves, so that you don't have to run it through the big boss, as I'm calling it, the Stampin' Cut and Die machine, cut and emboss machine, as many times. And it's got these flowers and this bunch of leaves as well that coordinate with this floral heart and this lovely banner. And I'm going to show you how I use this edgelet in this card. So I cut the edgelet out of some Blushing Bride paper, and I saved all these little hearts. You can save them all to use like in a shaker card, so I'm going to use those in a shaker card later on. And this heart actually comes from the center of the floral heart. So I cut out the floral heart for another card, but I saved the heart and I'm using it for this card. So don't throw things away, keep them so you can use them for other cards. And then I decided to also use the Very Versailles stamp set. It's got this really nice little grouping of script words that I like, that I wanted to use on the card to kind of ground the heart a little bit. So I'm going to stamp this little bit of words as a little mini background in Blushing Bride. It's hard to read the script. Let's see if I can get this straight. No, that is not straight. And it looks like I stamped off, because that's quite strong. I'm going to do the other side. And I'm going to stamp on a scrap piece of paper. I'm going to stamp off, because I don't want it to be so dark. I want it to be a little bit lighter. So this time I'm going to turn it a little bit to the left to see if I can get this straighter. Ah, that looks better, much better. All right, so that's my little background for my heart. Now I thought it would be cute to also stamp a couple of hearts from the stamp set in Rococo Rose. So I thought I'd do a couple hearts over here, maybe some down here. And I might do more, but that's all for now. So now I'm going to add this row of hearts. I'm going to trim some of it off here, and then I'm just going to use some liquid glue to adhere it, and then I will trim off the rest. So we'll get this liquid glue all spread out. So we'll go about almost to the end of the card. And then I'll just trim this edge off. And then I'm going to use some of this really lovely Blushing Bride metallic ribbon. So pretty. You've got Blushing Bride on one side, which is pretty, but then you've got the metallic side, which I think is even prettier. So I'm going to use the metallic side. And I'm just going to put the adhesive directly on the ribbon, which is a little bit crazy, but it works. Okay, I'm just gonna trim this edge off a bit because it frayed. There we go. Very nice. And now I just need to add the heart with some dimensionals. You can see I tried a couple times on the heart. It was a little bit hard to line up. And if there's excess adhesive, you can just use your finger to kind of rub it off, or an adhesive remover. So you had me at hello. Okay, I feel like I need more hearts, but where should I stamp them? No, I think that's good because we've got 1, 2, 3. There we go. Elements of 3. So I guess that's my element of 3. And that is how you make this card. I'm offering a free card kit for everyone that places a $30 order on my website using the February hostess code. Just email and let me know that you would like the Always in My Heart card kit. I'm offering this free card kit if you purchase the bundle as well. So just email me and let me know that you would like the Always in My Heart card kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.